malaki na ako, bibili ako ng...
Welcome to Port Olympia.
Mama, pagka malaki na ako, bibili kita sa...
This yachts. Wow, I love it. This one is so cute. Red. Wow, I love it.
This kadali.
Wow. Nice one. So this is the public transportation here in France. Small train. But this is called tram.
Can you take the green wallet instead?
So cute. I love it. So this is Port Olympia here, guys. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, everyone. Thank you so much.